Many travelers ask whether visiting Chicago is safe, especially for first-time tourists, and this Chicago Safety Guide, Is Chicago Safe for Tourists?, answers that clearly and honestly. If you're planning a trip and wondering where tourists feel most comfortable, drop your location in the comments. We're curious. 5. Magnificent Mile. This area is one of the most heavily patrolled parts of the city due to luxury shopping and hotels. Tourists can safely walk here during the day and early evening while trying deep dish pizza at nearby restaurants. Window shopping, river access, and landmark buildings keep the area active and well lit. Pickpocketing is rare, but staying alert in crowded stores is smart. 4. Lincoln Park. Lincoln Park is popular with families and solo travelers because of its calm residential feel. You can enjoy the free zoo, walk the lakefront trail, and grab local tacos or brunch nearby. The neighborhood has consistent foot traffic and strong community presence. Late-night wandering into quiet side streets should be avoided. 3. River North. River North is busy, central, and filled with restaurants, galleries, and nightlife. Tourists often try steakhouses or Italian food while exploring art spaces and rooftop views. Police presence is noticeable, especially on weekends. At night, ride shares are safer than walking long distances after bars close. While these destinations can get expensive, you can still find great deals if you know where to look. To help you stay on budget, I've linked the best rates I found for hotels, flights, and attraction tickets right in the description below. 2. Millennium Park. This is one of the safest tourist zones in Chicago due to constant crowds and security. Visitors enjoy local street food, concerts, and iconic spots like Cloud Gate. The park connects easily to downtown attractions, making navigation simple. Staying within main paths and visiting during the daytime or early evening is recommended. 1. The Loop. The Loop is the safest base for tourists because it's the city's business and transit center. Travelers can explore museums, try classic Chicago hot dogs, and access nearly all train lines. The area stays active during the day with offices and visitors. While it quiets at night, it remains safer than most outer neighborhoods. Chicago is safe for tourists who stay in well-known areas, remain aware of surroundings, and avoid unfamiliar neighborhoods late at night. If this guide helped your travel planning, subscribe for more clear and honest city safety guides.